Good morning, my dear kids. A warm welcome to your science class. My kids, as you know that we are continuing lesson number 4, that is bird. And half of the chapter I have explained in the classroom only. And my kids, through this video today, I am going to explain the rest part of the lesson. So my dear kids, please concentrate in your studies. Okay, take out lesson number 4 and take out birds, the second portion. Good morning, my dear kids. Dear children, we are in our second portion of our chapter, and today our topic is beaks. Beaks means কি বলো তো? ঠোঁট, পাখির ঠোঁট. So different kind of birds are having different kinds of beaks because they are eating different kinds of food. ভিন্ন ভিন্ন পাখি ভিন্ন ভিন্ন রকমের খাবার খায়, তার জন্য তাদের বিকগুলো ভিন্ন ভিন্ন রকমের. The shape of size of a bird's beaks down depends on what it eats. বুঝতেই পারছো? So whatever they are eating, according to that they have that kind of beaks. All beaks are hard. Hard means খুব শক্ত. Birds have no teeth. Birds are not having any teeth like animals and human beings. Beaks helps to break or tear the food into small pieces. Most of the chewing is done inside their body because they don't have teeth, so that they cannot chew. Okay, so most of the chewing is done inside their body. Their food has been swallowed. So here you can see the picture of a vulture. This is a picture of a vulture. Vulture and owls are meat eaters. Means vultures and owls are eating meats. Their beak is sharp and hooked. It helps them to tear an animal's flesh. Next you can see woodpecker. It is a picture of a woodpecker. A woodpecker has a very strong sharp beak. It can make holes in the hard trunk. See how woodpecker is making hole. How it can make hole? With its beak, with the help of its beak. So his beak is very hard. This is how it makes its nest. It also catches insects hiding in the trunk with its beak. Next you see my kids. It is a hoopoe. The hoopoe has a long thin beak. It uses it to pick insects from the ground. Next, number 4 is, yes, this bird is known to everyone. It is a hen. Sparrow and hens are seed eaters. They have a short beak to break and crush the seed. Hen and sparrows are not eating flesh, they are eating the seeds only, and their beak is very short so that they can crush and break the seeds. Number 5 is parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. Parrot's curved beak help it to eat hard seeds and nuts and fruits. Parrot's beak is curved and the color of the beak is red. How beautiful, no? Number 6, kingfisher. You can see the picture of it. It is a picture of a kingfisher. A fishers and herons are fish eaters. You can see here kingfisher is eating fish. They catch fish and they eat fish. They have sharp pointed beaks. They dart into water and catch fish with their beaks and swallow it whole. As I earlier I have said that the birds are not having teeth. They need to swallow the food, and inside their body the chewing is done. So this is all about the topic beak. Next, you can see a beautiful bird. Its name is duck. What? Duck. Yes. A duck's beak is special. Why? It takes muddy water in its flat beak. Insects and plants remains inside, and the water flows out of the holes in its lower beak. See, you can see it is having the hole inside its beak. Whatever it is, when it is swimming in the muddy water, it takes all the water inside its mouth, and insects and plants remains inside it, and the water it flows out of the holes in its lower beak. মানে জলের মধ্যে থেকে শুধু ইনসেক্টস, পোকামাকড় আর প্লান্টস খেয়ে বাকি জলগুলো সে নিজের ঠোঁটের মধ্যে দিয়ে বের করে দেয়। বুঝতে পেরেছো? So this is all about the topic beak. In our next class, I will explain you about feet and claws. So kids, you can see how beautiful body shapes, how beautiful body parts the bird is having and how they function. You please watch the video carefully. It will help you in your studies. It will help you to understand the topics. Okay? Thank you.